Hi, good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Today, right, is 10th of May 2017. Today, right, I just want to share the idea about ARTT Interactive model because I have many questions from many people about how to set up trading. Okay. Before you want to become trader, right? You just want to know trader is not easy. Trader is take time to learn about knowledge, about practice, and learning about cycle of the market. On this process, right, you need to work hard in the market to learn around 6 months to 1 year to understand any knowledge from the market that make you confident to entry and exit. Okay, today I just want to share how we set up the planning for FCPO. In this case, right, it's 3rd of May at the morning. This time is a Thai time. That means if we refer to FCPO, that means Malaysia time is 10. That means Thai time is slower than Malaysia 1 hour. Okay, in this case, right, at the morning, you can see this price movement is FCPO. FCPO now, right, if you apply Dow theory, right, Dow theory you learn, right, they have a trend and non-trend. In this case, right, Dow theory make higher high. After that, make higher low. That means they already uptrend. And if you saw on this red line, you see, right, I already draw the last price is here, but I draw here. That means I try to predict price or market have chance to move down around this. In this case, right, to estimate market, we call this deductive method. Deductive method, that means you estimate or you set up your scenario. If price retrace here, maybe we looking for buy. Okay, this low is look very close with this low. Okay, this is for example, I use Facebook, right, to do that. Mean I post many information, but I want to focus only FCPO chart. Okay, after that, you see, right, at the morning we post, right, price have chance to retrace allow this point, and this point, right, is look lower or equal the previous low. That means we plan in the morning. Now price move down and touch the support. That means market is follow our scenario. Okay, that means if in the uptrend we need to buy. Okay. Okay, after that, right, after market retrace, right, they retrace a bit lower than previous row. This is our scenario around here, but they move lower. Okay, after that, I wait until price reversal and confirm to move up, right. In this case, right, market show around 2,500 something, maybe 30 to 40 for FCPO. I post this post, right, at after lunch finish on 4th of May. That means next day. I said possible or not. Possible is mean from here to here, right, is around 80 point of move up, and this target is around 2,600 22 to 23 because it's just estimate. That means if you have plan, right, and you saw this line, that means this line move follow down theory. Down theory is mean uptrend. I already set up target. To set up target, right, I use this ABC and read the psychology inside this loop to compare with this loop and this loop. Okay, in this loop, right, psychology for seller is weaker than this, and in this psychology, right, the seller is weaker than this. That means when price continue uptrend, seller is weaker. That means buyer stronger. That means we can set up the target quite far. Okay, after we set up target, we entry. Okay, after we entry, right, we monitor this. Okay, from this picture, right, this price is posted on 4 p.m. at the 4th of May. In this picture, right, it's 2 p.m. 4th of May. That means in this picture, right, when compared with this picture, that means after we post the previous one, price move around 2,530. Okay, that means price move up a bit when we post. After that, we plan to entry, right, we go to CPO chart. Okay, in this case, right, at the 5th of May, next day at the around 2 p.m. Thai time, but Malaysia time is 3. In this case, right, you already saw price move sideways and move up a bit from yesterday. That means this is 1 minute. That means they move many movement. Now, right, they move here and here. Now price at the 2,540. I just put this question because this question, right, refer to this line. This line is supposed to become a resistance. Resistance at 2,550. That means at 2,550, I asking my student, this resistance weak or strong. If resistance weak, that means price can shoot up and run away up. If resistance strong, that means price cannot move up. To consider that, right, I just want you to see this kind of movement. When seller sell, right, they sell not aggressive, they sell slow sell not aggressive. When buyer buy back, they buy very aggressive. That means if you compare between seller and buyer, that means this resistance have chance to become weak. That means when we put like this, right, if you understand, you can entry. If you entry at 2,540, okay. After we entry, right, you see this price 2,540 and this price 2,544. That means they move and hit the resistance at 2,550. After that retreat. In this retreat, right, if you understand price, right, and understand ARTT Interactive model, you will understand about power. In this case, right, when I plan, I use Fibonacci retracement to draw from 0 to 100 and waiting the retracement. Okay, any retreat at 61.8 or 38.2 is mean got power. Got power, that means price have chance to move up in future. Okay, after this case, right, May 5th May is Friday. That means you need to consider, because after Friday, market need to stop today. Today means Saturday, Sunday. If you don't have any strategy, you don't have any plan, you cannot trade. But in this case, right, when we move down and see this, okay, this is uptrend. That means this is uptrend, right? Make higher low. After that, I'm predict price to hit target at 2,622. In this case, right, we apply the rule under Dow theory. The second rule of Dow theory is mean price move in trend. Price move in trend is mean if price now is uptrend, that means they have chance to move up in future. If price move down trend now, that means they also have chance to move down in future. Okay. After that, we go to that picture. Okay. In this case, right, we need to make decision. We want to hold or just take profit. Take profit is cannot because if we refer to the previous port, right, we just looking to entry at 2,540. That means if you trade profit here, you just got 4 points. It's impossible. Okay. Now, right, price still on the May, 5th of May. Okay. I asking my student, right, because this price is a benchmark. Benchmark, why benchmark? Because after we measure here, right, 0, 100, they have two probability. First probability retrace at 61.8 and second probability retrace at 38.2. In this case, right, they touch 61.8 at rebound. We apply our ARTT methodology or interactive model to apply wash and lynch. If price can wash and lynch, as I mentioned, that I push home at 3 p.m., that means price will run away up. If price cannot wash and lynch, it means cannot move up. Okay. After this case, right, price touch 61.8 as we identify for first time at 61.8 or 38.2. That means now price run away up because can wash and lynch. After that, right, you imagine you buy here, right, at 2,540. You wait until price retrace because you saw it's uptrend. Price run away up now from entry here, right? Now price run away up around 10 points already. Okay. After price run away up 10 points, right, at 2,551. Okay. I already draw this picture and asking my student, because when you want to trade, right, you need to evaluate the resistance, because if your price psychology is strong, that means they have chance to break resistance. ARTT methodology is differentiated from classical technical. Classical technical, right, they will buy and sell at resistance, buy at support. For us, right, we consider resistance. After that, we analyze chart. If psychology in chart really strong, they will have chance to break above resistance. That means we no need to take profit at resistance. Okay. After come back here, right, from here is 2,551. Now it's 2,555. Okay, on this time, I try to measure Fibonacci again, because when we measure Fibonacci retracement, that means we saw price have uptrend. That means we plan to buy more when price move uptrend. But after we analyze 0, 100, price didn't retrace 61.8 or 38.2. Price run away up, right? At the end of market, right, they run away up and hit 2,580. That means in just one day after we plan for Thursday, just one day, we got 40 points. And this is target. If you compare here, right, our target is above 2,620. That means it's around 2,620 something. Okay, this is we call deductive method. Deductive method is mean we apply our methodology to identify or predict or estimate price target. Okay. After that, we go to next port. Okay. Oh, sorry, because I like to travel and I like to enjoy food. I will post my lifestyle. Okay, this is another stock that we buy. Okay, after that, right, price Friday is 5th of May. Friday, Saturday is 6th. Sunday is 7th. 8th is Monday. Monday market open with gap up. Okay, gap up. Now we consider, right, because first time we plan to take profit 80 point. After market move up, gap up, right, we need to consider. We need to take profit at 60 or 80. But I mentioned at the remark, I said the last while stronger than previous. In ARTT Interactive model, when the last while longer than previous, we have only one probability. That means price will when the last while longer than previous, that means it's strong trend for uptrend. Strong trend for uptrend, that means market have chance to move up. That means I give hint to my student. That means market still have chance to move up. For who didn't understand about this, right? But if you understand about my candlestick, about topic heads of gangster, you saw, right? When price gap up here, right? Heads of gangster is at between third floor and second floor. That means buyer very strong. If buyer very strong, right, that means price will shoot up, continue up. If you understand candlestick, if you understand Y component in ARTT Interactive model, that means also give you same result. Okay, after that price retrace for the newbie, right, or new trader always care about what they call about retrace, because every time when price retrace, newbie don't know this retrace is retrace for move, continue move up or stop move up. If you don't know methodology to identify, right, that means sometimes when price start to move down here, you scared. If you scared, right, you cannot make money. In this picture, right, I apply wash and rinse. That's why I draw horizontal line. If I draw horizontal line here, that means if price break above this horizontal line at 2593, that means they will move up. I put this at 10 of 8 May. Okay. You see, right, before we put, right, price at around 2592. Okay, from 92 now is 98. Okay, 98. And I always said if the last while longer than previous, that means I want to tell, right, now it's on status the last while longer than previous, that means they still have chance to move up. Okay, but this just retrace. Okay, oh, okay. After that, right, after that same day, okay, at the 2 p.m. right, price move here, right, back above 2600 already, but after that they move right, this move lower than previous low. For non-skilled trader, right, they will sell because classical technical said when price move lower than previous low, they must sell. But for us, right, we looking for buy because it's a God pattern. Okay, for the meaning of God pattern, right, when we mention about God, it's always positive. Positive is mean good direction. Okay, after that, right, after price, you see, right, you remember here, right, that means after price move lower than previous low, we plan to buy, right? Price move lower than previous low with longest candlestick that we call heads of gangster at first floor. Heads of gangster at first floor, that means we need to buy back. Okay, this is ARTT Interactive model. After price buyback, right, I use God pattern working with HOG at first floor. HOG is abbreviated from heads of gangster at first floor to pull back market. To pull back market now, right, this we show strong trend for uptrend and always show heads of gangster at third floor. That means bullish very strong. Okay, bullish very strong. After bullish very strong, right, they retrace. After retrace, right, in this retrace, if you are non-skilled trader, you will scare and you will sell. But for ARTT, right, we call this picture strong trend for uptrend. That means they still have chance to move up in future. Okay. After that, right, when price retrace, you see, right, retrace, they cannot run away down. Okay, they cannot run away down. They still pull back. They still pull back. Okay. After pull back, they show heads of gangster at first floor. That means they should retrace first. In this retrace, right, ARTT will analyze reversal pattern. You see, right, after retrace here, they retrace less, after that move up again. In this move up, right, I said, if bearish, watch a little bullish. Okay, I draw this line. I draw this line at 2,617. That means if price move and lower than this line, that means bearish, can watch a little bullish. Okay, that means you need to take care, because now you got around 70 point. 70 point, right, is the big money. You for sure you need to set up your trailing stop. All right, that means we plan for here to check market still strong or not. After that, right, this price didn't retrace lower than here. That means there's still uptrend. But I put this at third 20 part 4. This is Malaysia time. Thai time is 3:40. I put this take care. Why I put this take care? Because after we earn, right, from 2,540 until now, if you calculate, right, it's around 80 point. Now it's 80 point. 80 point is mean is matching with our target already that we set up. We noticed this because market already show you they have chance to move down. That means you need to take profit. Okay, you need to take profit. You can read my comment of my student about this post. Okay, this student, right, post after 3:55. I put this 3:42. Okay, that means notice them. You can read or our student recommend. After we put it, right, price move down. Okay, that means we can protect our money in the market. Okay, that means now, right, I just want to tell you, right, if you want to become trader, you cannot trade every day. Okay, from my opinion, you cannot trade every day, but you must looking for the good opportunities to give you more chance to earn. In this case, right, if you count from up and down, when I notice, that means average we got around 100 point. 100 point, right, for FCPO. If you trade just one contract, you earn 2,500 ringgit. 2,500 ringgit is around salary for just graduate student. That means you can make money around 3 days. Start from Thursday until Monday. You got 2,500 ringgit if you just put one contract. Okay, to do money management, right, based on your experience. If you got more experience, you can push more money. If you don't have experience or few experience, you put less money. You cannot push money more than your experience. This is my notice. Okay. If you want to follow me, right, you just search Thiti Tharasuk. Okay, just Thiti Tharasuk. You can follow me at my timeline. Okay, hope you enjoy and understand about trading. Thank you very much for understanding, and hope to give you more knowledge next time. Thank you.